Experiencing no dial tone on your Optus landline? This usually indicates a connection issue. Let's start by checking your phone connection to the NBN modem. Ensure your phone is correctly plugged into the Tel1 or phone port on your NBN modem. Next, power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, check the physical cable connections for any loose or damaged wires. If you have a mixed copper fiber setup like FTTN, verify that an ADSL filter is correctly installed between your phone and the wall socket to prevent interference. If these steps don't restore your dial tone, proceed to the next section for advanced checks. If basic troubleshooting fails, access your NBN modem's web interface by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Once logged in, confirm that VoIP settings are enabled in the modem's configuration. Use the Optus Help portal or app for guided setup and diagnostics to detect faults in your NBN link. If using a third-party modem, compatibility issues can occur. Consider switching to an Optus-recommended modem like the Huawei HG659 or Sagemcom Fast 5688. Ensure your modem firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. If the issue persists, contact Optus support for further assistance, as there may be a network outage in your area.